Any of your friend is coming? Anyone else coming? Because I have not explained the shares and event again. Who is the, somebody is coming now? Close that door. Sure. What is your problem? You want to practice? Come. You want to practice now? Yeah, listen. Shares and dividend contains 2-3 parts are there. Be careful. The construction part we have discussed almost every type of question, isn't it? Yeah. In your share, first and foremost thing is, in your question paper, you have to identify it is from which topic. Because you have different parts are there. One is your even this all AP based questions. Generally nowadays AP and GP word problems are less. Okay. It is word problem deleted means if it is coming and you don't tell it is deleted. Okay. Don't look here. As per the Icse syllabus, nothing is deleted. Okay. So nothing is being deleted. Trigonometry deleted. Minutes also is there. The value table will be given. Okay. Yeah. Minutes, what is there? Minutes, you will get the values, the table will be given, I'll find it out. That only to be. Yeah. So, identify, look here, banking is there, then shares and dividend is there, these all two parts are there, and GST is there. So, first thing is to identify whether the question is based on which chapter. Okay, so already we have done GST. Okay, GST will be what is the input tax, output tax, and all. Over here, we are going to talk about the share and dividend, then profit percent, number of shares, and all the things we are discussing. First and foremost thing is over here, you have to learn certain terms. What are the terms are there? Once if you know, this chapter is done in the school? Yeah. You not done in the school? Okay. Yeah. This one. Once you should know, and then there are 2-3 number of formulas is limited only, but which value to substitute you have to be very careful. Okay. Different some of the questions you see 6 to 7 different values are there. Which value to take and which value to substitute, we have to be careful. Okay. And so one by one we will start about shares. What about this one? Okay. What shares and because I don't need to explain much about this one. Shares means basically what is the parties, to build up the big this one companies or start business over there. Hello, you wanted to explain? Yeah, quietly listen. Okay. Yeah. Over to start this one, any types of they don't have the investment. Initial capital is not there. Initial capital means initial investment is not there. So you will see that in the different, mainly in the media or newspaper and all, you will see they are starting the company, so they need this much amount to start a company. Okay, we in this let's say Reliance needed to start a new venture over there somewhere, so they need certain amount. Okay, 1,000 crore rupees needed to start that. So 1,000 crore rupees needed means maybe the company doesn't have that much money directly to invest in that project. So what they do means they have to collect from the people, public. This investment is collected from there. So this money is called in the form of the share people is giving. So he will tell, okay, this is the company and we are going to start this one. Okay, maybe it is a power project. Throughout the our profit is this and this one, they will give us. Then people will be tell, yes, it is a good one. So then they start investing. Now, how it is investing means, so they need, let's say, 1,000 crore rupees. So they cannot collect like, crores and crores. They will collect each units. Okay. So each unit. So that is called each share. Maybe cost of one share may be 100 rupees. Or some of the shares maybe cost is equal to 10 rupees. Even there are 1 rupee share are there, depends upon. Okay, 100 rupees. Some of the shares may be 1,000 rupees. Okay, this one. So when they announce this one, so they will tell, yes, this is the share value. Okay, that initial value is called the face value or nominal value. What is the face value or nominal value? So that value will always remain the same. So what is face value or nominal? So first word it is coming as FB or NB. Okay, face value or nominal value. Face value or nominal value means what? It's a fixed value. What is this value? When the company started, that value of a price, each share is called. Value of each unit is. What happened there? Any problem? What happened? Volume 1 it's not required. When it is required, I'll tell you. You have a volume 1? So keep it. Yeah. So face value or nominal value. Now, listen. So they will announce after that. After the announcement, immediately, okay, they may be starting the company, maybe let's say today is November, they may be starting in the December. By such time, you can buy this share. So at that time, the cost of the share is coming with, let's say, 100 rupees. Any number of the share you can buy. Okay. Over here, generally the shares are online you can buy or through brokers you can buy. There is a brokerage and all other. You don't have that all part. You have only basically one part is the number of shares, how many shares you are buying alone. Now, initially this one, if it is 100 rupees means for a certain period, this will be the 100 rupees. But till 15th of November, the value of the share is this one. Then the share is declared. Now share is declared means, after 15th of November, immediately lot of people wanted to buy the share, hearing the company. Maybe this company is coming as, okay, this is a profitable company. People will tell, yes, it is a profitable. Immediately share value keep on go up. Generally it goes. So after 15th of November, when you see, you had money, you think, okay, I was a person, I had the money on 10th of November. So I went and deposited and I got, let's say I had 10,000 rupees were there. So I deposited on how many shares I got? 100 shares. How did you get 100 shares? Value of one share, that time it was coming as what on 100 rupees. Okay, so 10,000 divided by 100. But your case was there, I don't have that money, I will be getting on, let's say 16th of November only I have that money. Now, when he declared this one on 15th of November, because of lot of rush, the share value will go up. Maybe it's going to 150 rupees on 15th of November. This value is called market value. Okay, market value of the share. Market value of the share means in day to day, what is the value of the share? Okay, day to day, maybe on this is on 16th, 15th, 16th of November. What happened, Rohit? Huh? So you come over here and take it. So then he will come and take it out. Then stand over here and silently. Done? Yes, okay. So this is called the market value of the share. Understood? This value will be. I'll send you out from the class. I'm taking. You don't need the volume one right away. Why you need to? What is your problem? Please move to that side. Yeah. This value of the share depends upon, it may go up, like maybe on 15th of November. Then it may be the number of people doesn't need that much share, so it may come down. Okay, or it may, again, lot of rush was there, it may go anytime. So day to day, the value of the share keep on change, or sometimes it remain as it is. Sometimes it come to 100 rupees. Sometimes it reduces. Suppose the business is not proper, so it will come down. Okay, that is coming as which one? Sometimes it reaches to 200 rupees. Sometimes it reaches to 90 rupees. Even sometimes it reaches to 100 rupees. This value is called which one? Market value. Whereas this value, face value will always remain the same. Understood? That is the first thing, remember. So face value or nominal value, both are same meaning. Okay. What is the meaning of face value or nominal value? First value when the company started, that is the fixed value. That is the value fixed by the person who started the company. Okay, that is the face value. Understood or not? Second one, what is the market value means? Day to day, what is the, okay, maybe like selling price or something. This is like cost price, this is a fixed value, this is selling. Nominal value and face value, same thing. Okay, it's written now FV or NV. Okay, now, so this one, this is the which value? Market. Okay, now, next, so here, in this case, in these two cases, you can see the market value is more than the face value. Okay, and this is less than, this is equal. That means these type of shares are called premium shares. Okay, understood. Premium shares. Premium shares means market value is more than. Okay, this is shares is coming as discounted shares. Okay, discounted shares. And this we say, if both are equal, we say at par. At par means equal shares. Understood or not? Okay. So write these two, three terms over there. Write the chapter name, shares and dividend. Market value can be any time value. Okay, it can be equal to the nominal value. Okay, any time, any value you can take it. Chapter name is written. Okay. Right. The initial value of the share. Initial value of the share. Initial value of the share is called nominal value or face value. Somewhere it is coming as, even printed value is coming. Generally, that all words are very less. It is used printed value, registered value. These all values are there. Generally, these are the two names. It is commonly it is being used. Okay. Yeah. Next. The day-to-day value of each share. Day-to-day value of each share is called the market value. Day-to-day value of each share is called the market value. Written below, right? FV, like whenever say face value, always remains the same. Face value always remains the same. Always remains the same. Market value changes. Market value changes. Written next. If one first condition, market value and face value are equal. Market value and face value are equal. Then share is said to be at par, PAR. Share is said, if market value is equal to PAR, at par. Market value is equal to the face value, share is said to be at par. Second one, if market value is more than face value, then the share is above par. Above par or premium share. Above par or premium share. Okay. And second one, premium share. Okay. Next, market value is less than face value. Then share is below par.
So less than
Face value. Below par or discounted share. Or a discounted share. This below less than market value, less than face value, below par.
par.
Par means level at the same, at par means it is same level. Okay. Below par or discounted share. Written all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Next line, right? Next point, right? Shares are bought. Shares are bought on market value. Shares are purchased. Bought. BOGHT bought on which on market value. Purchased on market value. Shares are purchased on market value. Okay. Written all of you?
Yes, sir.
So listen.
About par.
What? I need to ask a question. Yeah, please stand up. So there's for a company it is given face value and market value. Okay, you need to purchase 300 shares. How much money you need? 300, it's wrong. 300 into 250. Okay, that is equal to 75,000 rupees. Understood or not? Are you followed? So you need the 300 shares means cost of one share is equal to how much? Market value. Okay, you will be available, shares are available on market value. So now, so you will be getting as hourly where 300 shares means what? 300 multiplied by 250. Understood all of you? Okay, so that is a plan. Okay, so written now. Now, next, first formula. Yes. Sum invested. Sum invested is equal to, these are normal things only, sum invested is equal to market value into number of shares. Market value into number of shares. Market value means always remember market value of one share. Okay, market value into, okay. Yeah. This page is clear?
Yes.
Okay. Also you can, from here itself it's coming. What is number of shares? Sum invested upon, you can write beyond right. Number of shares equal to number of shares, sorry, number of shares equal to sum invested upon market value. Upon market value. Same formula only used. Okay. Now listen, the remaining. Who is passing comments over there? Yes, I am asking you, who is passing comments over there? Because everyone is looking to you two and laughing. Either you or this man. One of you decide. Both are not. Now further there means both will move on. And Shardul and Ranveer. Both are laughing. You tell what's the reason of laughing. If not, along with them, you will also go. Or attendance. If attendance only needed, sign now. If you want to go, those who want to go, leave. Next is, listen, the next part. Understand the concept and do, so that you know calculations will be easy. Because it contains lot of sometimes complicated questions will be there. Simple questions as well as the complicated ones will come. So company started after that. So company started means suppose if it is the person I said okay 1,000 crore is needed, company started. Whose money is that one? Public investors money. Okay, shareholders money. Okay, so yes, company is done by a particular person. He also has to get the profit. The investors also should get the profit from that company. So what they do means, you know, they will after 1 year or 2 years after this one company started, whatever the profit is coming, they will distribute the profit. Maybe whatever the part according to the company rules, they will distribute a certain profit to the investors. Okay, that profit is called dividend. Okay, what is the meaning of dividend? Profit. Profit distributed. Understood? So you can write dividend means profit distributed. Dividend is the profit distributed by the company to the shareholders. Profit distributed to the shareholders by the company. Return to the next line, right? Dividend is always expressed as a percentage. Dividend is always expressed as the percentage. Means dividend is this much percentage. They will give 10% dividend, 20% dividend. Followed what is the meaning of dividend? Okay. Followed all of you. Next. Comment says anyone? Dividend followed. Okay. Most important. Underline and write. Dividend is calculated on. Dividend is calculated on nominal value. Dividend is calculated on nominal value. Nominal value, what's another name? Understood all of you? Okay. Now, listen carefully. Dividend is calculated on the nominal value. Yeah. Yeah. Listen here. And let's come to a comparative study we will come to. Now, all of you listen. This is the nominal value of the share. There are three people are there, A, B, C. Okay. When A purchased the share, the market value of the share was how much? 250. Okay. B purchased, what is the market value? 150. C purchased, what is the market value? Okay. A bought how many shares? 25. B bought 50 and C bought 200. This much is clear? This is the dividend that will come later. Okay. This much all of you followed? Yeah. Yes. What is the sum invested by A? Amount, tell how you calculate. 62,500. How did you get? And what is the number of shares? 25 into 25 is how much? 625 and 10 is coming now. 6,250. Okay. You have to. Yes, we'll go on this sign and give the copies and come back. Okay. Yeah. Understood all of you? Is it clear? Okay. So this person A invested is 6250 rupees. Okay. Followed all of you? Okay. Now, next one. Over here. For B. Okay. Yeah. I will ask one person then. Yes. Dana Brandway. For person B, what is the market value? 150. What is the face value? 150. What's that? That is the problem now. You will listen to all the problems now. You are the solution for everyone. Look here and there. So understood? Sit down. Yes, let's see Pushkar has standard. So for the person B, what is the market value? The market value is 150. What is the base value? Base value is 150. Okay. Yeah, all of you be quiet. Yes. For the person B, what is the market value? 150. What is the base value? 100 rupees. Where it is written 100 rupees. NV is called the base value or nominal value. Okay. For person B, what is the number of shares? Number of shares got. So look at the figure. 50 rupees. What is the amount invested by person B? You have to tell what you have to do. I don't need final answer. How do you do it? Means what to what? 150 into 50. Okay, so down that is equal to 7,500. Yes, all of you followed? Okay, no problem. Yes, Rohit standard. Now, for the person C, okay, is the share he purchased, what is the market value? Market value 75. 75. What type of share is that one? I don't need any discussions over here. Enough discussions we are doing over here. Do you know? What type of share is that? Do you know? No, doesn't know. Sanvi.
Below par.
Below par or is it down? Sanvi standard. Below par or another word is there. Discounted shares. Okay, for the person B. Person C standard. I'll give the remaining part also there. For the person C, what is the market value? 75. What is the face value? 100. Face value or nominal value is 100. Number of shares? 200. So how much is the sum invested? So it is equal to 75. 15,000. Okay, sit down. Okay. Understood all of you? This much all of you follow? Now we go to the this one. Dividend. Okay. Over here, dividend is given as 12%. Dividend is calculated on which one? Nominal value or face value. That means dividend of one share is equal to 12% of nominal value. How much? 12. Okay, 12 rupees because 12,500. All of you follow? Ranveer, are you listening? Okay, dividend is equal to 12% of the. Always remember, whatever the market value, same company's market value keep on changes. But whatever the market value, dividend is based on this value will be a fixed value. So it is clear all of you. Now, okay. So next is annual dividend means how much value you are getting. Okay. Annual dividend means how much you are getting. Gauri standard. What is the annual dividend of A? Annual dividend for A. So how many shares he has?
25.
25 shares. What is the dividend on one share? 12 rupees. So how much you will get? 25 into 12. Okay, so you will get 25 into 12. That is equal to how much? 300 rupees. Sit down. Devesh. Annual dividend of B. 50 into 12. Whatever you get as okay, 600 rupees. You. Annual dividend of C.
And dividend. Sorry, 24,000.
Tell what?
24.
How did you get?
12 into 2.
12 into 200. Understood or not? Okay. Annual dividend is calculated number of shares into dividend on one share. Okay. So right. Annual dividend. Annual dividend is equal to. Annual dividend is equal to number of shares into dividend on one share.
Dividend on
One share. Annual dividend into dividend on one share. Okay. Now, below right, annual dividend is also known as annual income. Annual dividend is also known as annual income. Okay, means how much you are getting it. Now write the formula. Annual income is equal to formula is NRF. Annual income is equal to NRF. Capital NRF, short for annual. NRF, where N stands number of shares. This is a quite common formula we are using throughout. Annual income is equal to. Okay, N stands for number of shares. R is equal to rate of dividend. R means rate of dividend. F means face value of one share. N is the number of shares. R is the rate of dividend. F is the face value of one share. One share. Are you followed? What happened there? Any have a problem? No discussion. You have any problem? Look over here. Understood? Now, look one by one. Conditions. you don't need to find out. Suppose if you have to find out what is the annual income or annual dividend NRF. N is how much? 25. R is how much? 12 by 100 into 100. Okay, no need to do it individually. Finance standard. Come out from there. Take on whatever you wanted to see. Take on whatever things. You since long time I'm seeing you seeing whatever. Okay, what is your researching there? Huh? 10, 20 rupees only?
No.
Okay. Leg. So you're seeing your leg, no? All toes are there, everything is there. Or no. Go on, sit over there outside and do. Go on in the last bench then. Yeah. Okay. Now why I kept this one, I wanted to see. This way, you know, more than this, it is seeing over there. If you also wanted to see and okay. Yeah. And you know, in the this one over the reception also same thing. It sometimes it's just some of the parents are coming and watching. People watching video. No, over here. So this formula has to be calculated. And calculating means you have to directly you have to do NRF. N stands for what? Some of the cases number of shares is not given. So how do you find the number of shares? Now invested divided by market value. Okay, so number of shares is always calculated from the market value. Dividend is always calculated on nominal value. Yes, what happened? Who asked you to open the book? Who asked you to open the huh? What have you standard there? Read from the notebook what all things are done. Yeah, notebook I said. Yeah, let me hear. All of you be quiet.
The initial of the share is called nominal or face value.
You will be there, you will not come back now. Go back. Sit down there. Yeah.
Day-to-day value of each share is called the market value. FP is equals to FP is always being seen. FP changes. FP and FP are equal share respectively at par.
Okay.
FP is more than FP. Share is said to be above par and minimum share.
Okay. Wow.
If FP is less than FP, the share is below par or discounted.
Okay.
Share are bought
Hmm.
some invested equals to number of share face value of one share.
Despite whatever you have any doubt. No. Okay, next you read.
Number of share is equal to total investment upon
Down investment upon? So book may record. What I said? That. So you take the volume and stand outside. Did you write what is the annual dividend in the book? What is the written read?
Annual dividend is equal to number of share into dividend on one share.
Annual
Dividend is equal to number of share into dividend on one share.
So how will you calculate dividend on one share?
And R equal face value.
So then what is your problem now? That is the same thing now. Dividend on one share, how did you calculate? 12% of the face value. Understood or not? So that is called NRF. Number of shares into this one. Return. Okay. Problem solved. Okay. So next is another one. Yeah. Annual dividend, right? Annual dividend is also known as write down. Write down. Annual dividend is also known as profit. You wrote income already, no?
Yes.
Annual profit or return. Or return.
Also known as?
Also known as profit or return. Okay. Annual profit, annual return, all these things. Okay. Now, next formula, right? These are percentage calculations only, right? Return percentage or profit percentage. Profit percentage is equal to income upon investment, income upon investment into 100%. Income upon investment multiplied by 100%. Put the percent. Okay. So what is the formula for return percent? Income, same thing. Income upon investment into 100%. Is there any formula you are unable to follow? You tell me.
So sum invested is equal to MB to number of shares, right?
Sum invested is equal to
MB.
market value into number of shares. Income, return, profit, all of them is coming as NRF. Okay, same meaning. Annual income, annual profit, annual return, all these things are same meaning. Dividend is a dividend. Annual dividend is called the annual return. Okay. Yes. Okay. Return. These two additional formulas you can note down. Generally, very rare case only you write. Do it. Number of shares equal to.
That formula.
Yes. Number of shares equal to. It is very rare you use number of shares equal to total dividend divided by dividend on one share. Number of shares is equal to total dividend divided by dividend on one share. Total dividend means what? Total income annual dividend. Okay, divided by dividend on one share. Another way also you write number of shares equal to annual, again another one. Annual dividend is equal to total income, number of shares equal to total income, say next formula, annual dividend is equal to total income divided by income on one share. All of them are same meaning. Income on one share. Profit, income, all of them are same thing. I repeat, last one you know, annual dividend is equal to what? Total income divided by income on one share. Written all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, all of you listen, you don't need to write the complete statement. Whatever required, you write and tell me the answer, okay? You will, all of you ready to listen? Okay, question only I am telling you don't need to write. Whatever required, that is the way you have to read and from the question paper to identify. Listen, person buys 100 rupees shares at 20 rupees premium. Follow this much? I repeat, the person, don't write the statement and all. Just what is these values you have to tell. You write 100 and you write below 20. A person buy 100 rupees shares at 20 rupees premium. Okay. In a company paying 15% dividend. So three values I said.
Yes.
One is wait, I will ask you. Yeah. Stop talking and learn. Okay. Now, these three values, all of you followed?
Yes.
Those who followed, raise a hand. Okay. And Mary, what is this 100 rupees?
Nominal value.
Nominal value is, okay. Nominal value or face value is equal to 100 rupees. Okay. Priyanshu, what is this 20 rupees? Huh? What does it mean? What does it mean if you want to take? Huh? MB is 20. It's wrong. Premium is 20 means market value is equal to 100 plus 20. That is equal to 120. Are you followed all of you?
Yes.
Devesh, what is this 15%? Dividend percentage. Are you followed? Okay. Is anyone having a problem this one? See, person buys 100 rupees shares at a premium of 20 rupees means the face value of the share is equal to 100 rupees. Its premium is 20 means market value is equal to 120. And what is these three for a full time will be this one. Then discount is equal to 15%. Written all of you?
Yes.
Now the question all of you have to calculate. Okay, part one. These three you wrote, face value, market value. Okay.
Wait.
These three write down. Question one. What are? Huh? Dividend percent. Okay, rate of dividend percent or rate of dividend. Okay. First one. There are all the parts. There are three parts are there. One. Market value of 600 shares. Second one. First one is market value of 600 shares. Second one, annual income. Third one, percentage of income. All of you do it. Simple one. No need to shout. Percentage of income. Array, try to get after that not getting eligible. No discussions required. Rudra, first you get. If you are not getting, we will discuss. All three or or then why you are reaching there? Don't look into your other's book. Try to do it yourself. If you get the answer, stand up. All three got the answer. Close the book and stand up. Whatever you did, you wrote, we wait over this. How many parts you got? One part you got, two part you got, three part you got. I answer to my question. Did you get any one of the answers? Listen to my child, you listen. How many parts answer you got? First part you got, yes or no? Second part you got, yes or no? Third part you got, so you tell I did not get any answer. Okay. Listen. Yeah. Those who got the answer, stand up. What are you doing here now? I will not ask you again. Those who are calculating, please sit down. Priyanshu, you don't need to stand. Those who got the answer, stand up. Then we will check whether it is got the answer or not. Three people. This much time is enough. You are keep on standing and sitting. Again you will sit. Then again you will calculate. Sit down. Okay. Yeah. What else? First one. Yes, stand up. What is the market value of 600 shares you got?
72,000.
How did you get?
MB of 1 share into number of shares.
Number of shares got into this one. So 600 into how much? 120. That is equal to how much? 72,000 rupees. All of you followed this one?
Yes.
Those who have doubt in this one, raise hand. Do you have a doubt? Oh, sit down. Okay. Next, Devi stand up. Annual income.
9,000.
How did you get?
100 into 15 upon 100.
NRF. So NRF means N is what?
N is
600.
600.
Where
600 number.
N is equal to
600.
600. Okay. Then R is how much? 15 by 100 into 100. Sit down. Those who have doubt, raise the hand. This calculation, those who have doubt, raise the hand. These are the things are coming quite a lot of times you will see. No problem. Rohit, you have a problem? Okay. You're doing almost the I'll not ask question next time, okay? You stand up, please. Percentage of income.
Annual income about.
Answer.
12.5.
12.5 is correct. Tell, how did you get?
So annual income about MB of situation.
Income
Annual
income upon investment into 100%. What is income? Income is 9,000 divided by 72,000 into 100 upon 8 is 25 by 2. 12.5%.
Yes.
Sit down. Correct. Only 3 people only could do it this time. Are you followed? Those who have any problems, raise hand. Now, those who have any problem, tell me. Difficult, what happened? Percentage, which one? First, second, third. Third one. Percentage of income. Percentage of income means percentage of return, percentage of profit, all of them is there. Income upon investment into 100%. Income means annual income, 9,000. Investment means sum invested, 100%. Okay now, all of you. Agree? Yes. Go through all the formula. Then I will ask because a lot of people are here and they're looking. Just go through all the forms. Then I will read out. I'm going to ask the formula. You did not give an answer today. Every day, so ask like every day. That is called excuse. No excuse. Any of the formula, if you have doubt, tell me. I'm going to ask you. Bilal. You know, okay. Bilal, stand up. Look here. What is the formula for rate of return? Huh? Then what did you learn? What did you learn? You want to hear from others?
Income upon investment.
Income upon investment into 100%. Rate of return is called percentage of return. Understood? Percentage of dividend is called rate of dividend. Rate means that percentage. Okay. Formula. Annual income. Annual income is calculated on nominal value only, nothing MV. Okay, NRF. N stand for number of shares. R, rate, F, H value, nominal value. Okay, remember this one. All right. Reading is over. Okay, listen. What do you mean by below par share? So you have to read from there. Market value less than the face value. Okay, how do you find the number of shares? Sit down. Followed now, all of you. One more question, then we start the exercise. Okay. Whatever needed, you write down. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. A man invests 50,000, not 50,000, 5,000. 5,000 in it. Okay. Academic 6%. Okay. In a share of face value 100 rupees stands at 150 rupees. Face value 100 rupees stands at 150 rupees. I said 3-4 values. 6,000, sorry, 5,000, 6%, 100, 150. Okay. A man invests 5,000 rupees in a company, paying a dividend of 6% per annum. When the share of face value 100 rupees stands at 150. Question 1. What is the annual income? Question 2. If 50% of his shares, if 50% of his shares, 50% of his shares sells at 200 rupees each, what is the gain? What is his gain in this transaction? What is his gain in this transaction? That's it. Did you write?
Yes.
Yes, let me do it. All of you do it. Panda, do your work. If he is not written, now that is his problem. Wait. Again, Bilal.
Look at it.
Number of shares is coming in a fraction. That is possible, there is no problem.
Yes.
Okay, you want to simplify, make instead of 5,000, make it as 9,000. Otherwise, second part it will be difficult for you to come.
Okay, sir.
Make it as 9,000. Instead of 5,000, make it as 9,000. What is 5,000? Number of shares is 5,000. Yeah. First instead of 5,000, 9,000. Array 5,000 is given now. Instead of 5, make it as 9,000. That's it. You got both the answers? Yeah. Don't copy from others. How many we got? Yeah. Got the answer? Got the answer? No. Got the answer? No. Shh. How many of you got the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, sit down. Listen. Stop talking and listen. Bilal, quiet. Yeah, the first value was given is what? 9,000. What is this? Shh. What is this 9,000? Sum invested. What is the second value given? What? Number. 6%. That is equal to rate of dividend. Still people are talking there. Then next value is given as what? 100. What is this 100? Face value. Okay. Then next value is given 150. What is this one?
Market value.
Market value at the time of purchase. Okay. Now listen. First, what is the first question asked? Annual income. For annual income, we need NRF. N is required. N is number of say this one. So what is it? Sum invested upon market value. 9,000 divided by 150. Yes or no? Okay. How much? Number of shares equal to 60. Okay. Therefore, annual income is equal to NRI. Rudra got all the answers? You got answers?
First one I got.
Other than what you are looking here and there and talking? I am doing now. Second one only I am doing. 60 into 6 by 100 into 100. That is equal to how much? So first answer is 360 rupees. Followed all of you?
Yes, sir.
Now, second part it is given us. What is second part? He sells how much shares?
50%.
So, number of shares he sold is equal to selling of number of shares equal to 30. Therefore, selling price of one share, how much is given? 200 rupees. Okay. Therefore, amount received that is equal to 330 into 200. That is equal to 6,000. Now, amount received, then amount invested. Amount invested was 30 into 150. That is equal to how much? 4,500. He purchased for how many rupees? 150 rupees. So 30 shares means it is coming as 4,500. Therefore, how much is the profit he is getting? 6,000 minus 4,500. Read. Got the answer? Now listen. These all questions, it is not based main formula and all, one or two formula only, but you have to read and identify what is given, how to calculate. You can check. One is number NRS, then 50% he sells, means half of this one, that is 30. How much at the rate of how much? 200 rupees. Therefore 6,000. How much was he was invested for that one? This one 30 into 150. So identify and do it. Okay. Break needed now? Yes, sir. After 10 minutes. One book is after.
डांटेगी मेरे को
Sit down, sit down. Yeah. Yeah, listen, more questions we will discuss, it's got the module. Take out your volume, all of you. Yeah. Yeah, be quiet, all of you. Volume is the problem, no? Get it? Yeah, all of you stand up. Who is this fellow? Why did he come now? Huh? Every story is over, now you are under. Yeah, you will think a lot. Yeah, those who have volume, Ranveer, it doesn't belong to these all people. No? I did not ask you to sit down. Those who brought the volume and sit down. You also sit over here. Any noise, anything is come from here means accept your auto. Do the standard. Okay. Sit down. Why can't we bring the volume one? And you? Sit down, sit down. Taken the volume on? Yeah, first question. Exercise 3.1. Yeah. Let's start now. You're counting correct. Start now. Done. Yeah, one by one we will read the question and do. Okay, Namya, read the first question. Read the first
How
question.
much money will be required to buy 200 rupees 25 shares at a premium of rupees 50?
At a premium of
Rupees 2.
what happened? Yeah, write down number of shares. Number of shares equal to 200. Okay. Then face value is equal to 25. Premium 2 rupees. Return face value 25 rupees. Premium is how much? 2 rupees. Therefore, maturity was sorry. Market value. Market value 27 rupees. Okay. Sum invested. Sum invested is equal to number of shares into market value. That is equal to 200 into 27. That is equal to 5,400 rupees. Should not of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, second question. Yeah. This Sanvi read the second question.
A person buys 120 shares.
All of you be quiet. Half the people doesn't have the volume and talking also. Yeah.
A person buys 120 shares at a nominal value of rupees 40 each, which he sells at rupees 42.50 each. Find the profit and profit percent.
Now, here he buys 120 shares at the nominal value. Understood or not? And he sells for how much money? 42.50. Okay, so right. Number of shares 120. Okay, cost of one share. Cost of one share is equal to 40. Therefore, amount invested is equal to how much? 120 into 40. How much? 4,800 rupees. Okay, 120 into 40, that is equal to 4,800. Next, SP of one share, selling price of one share is equal to 42.50. Therefore, selling price is equal to, don't see the answers behind, 120 into 42.50. 120 into 42.50. 42.50, remove the decimal if you want easy calculation. 120 into 85 by 2. Got the answer?
Yes, sir.
How much you got?
Also
5,100. 5,100 rupees. Okay. Profit is equal to SP minus CP, which is equal to 5,100 minus 4,800. 300 rupees. Profit is equal to, you can't hear? Can you hear what I am speaking? Also, come forward. Come to, so profit is equal to SP minus CP. 5,100 minus 4,800. That is equal to 300 rupees. That is not enough. Profit percent. Profit percent. This is normal what we have done in the selling price and cost price value. Profit upon sum invested into 100. That is equal to 300 upon. Profit is how much? 300 now.
Yes.
Upon sum invested 4,800 into 100. Cancel. 100 by 16, 25 by 6 1 by 4 or 6.25. Hope all of you followed. Look here, it is not based on formula. You have to think and do it. Not that, okay, I know 3 formula. Not. You have to think what is the values are given. Accordingly, you will do. Followed all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That was the question number 2. Third one, Shardul. Read the question.
A man invests rupees 805 in 5 shares, and when they are selling at a premium of rupees 1.25, he sells all the shares, find his profit and profit percent.
Similar question. Okay, so right. Is it inverse now? Okay, amount invested, sum invested 800 rupees. Cost of one share. Amount invested is equal to 800 rupees. Cost of one share is equal to how much? 5 rupees. Therefore, number of shares. Number of shares. Some amount invested upon number amount. So that is 800 upon 5. 160. Okay. Next. SP of that much all of you done. Yes. 800 by 5. That is equal to this is equal to 160. This is 5. Don't write MB or this one. It is the cost of one share. That which you write. Okay. You can take because they are not specified at that time that value. Next, selling price of one share. The selling price of one share is equal to premium, no? 5 plus 1.5. Say SP of one share 5 plus 1.5, 1.15, 6.15. Therefore, SP is equal to how many shares? 160. 160 into 6.15. Okay. Multiply.
98400, 984,
984.
984.
984. Number Singh standard. Doing a notebook here. You're doing the sums. What's the answer you got? 984. And the remaining part? Not. Bring the notebook here. Pen also is there with you. Volume is there. Some. They will come distance. Yeah. Can you hear? Rudra, can you hear now? Yeah, okay. Now what is the next? So this is selling price. Now profit. You have to find out profit and profit percent. Now profit is equal to SP minus sum invested. 984 minus how much was invested? 800. How much? 184. Therefore, profit percent. That is profit upon sum invested into 100. Profit upon sum invested into 100. That is 184 upon 800 into 100. Zeros cancel. 23. Done. Hope all of you following. 23%. Okay. Percentages are these all. That is why a lot of people are going to the share markets and the profits are more. That's it. Okay, but the same way, a lot of people will use the money. Yeah, that is question number which one? Third one. Okay, question number 4. Can we read the question?
And which 9 raised rupees 3072. The company paying 5% for annum. When it's rupees 10, share can be bought for rupees 16 each. Find his annual income. This percentage income on this investment.
So annual income and percentage of income. So right. Followed all of you?
Yes.
Who can give this values? What is the meaning? Yes. What is 3070? Some invested. What is this 5%? Dividend rate of dividend. What is 10? Face value.
Yes, face value.
And what is 16?
MB.
MB. Okay, right. Sum invested. Sum invested. 3072. Sum invested is equal to 3072. Yeah. Next, rate of dividend. 5%. Face value. Rudra, are you writing?
Yes, sir.
Face value 10 rupees. Market value 16 rupees. Therefore, number of shares. Number of shares. Sum invested upon market value. That is 3072 upon 16. Calculate. Cancellations, you can do it. 1536 upon 8. 192. That is the number of shares. Okay. Annual income. NRF 192. What is the percentage rate of interest? Rate of dividend 6500. Face value 10 now. 5 is it?
Yes.
And what is the face value?
And
Cancel. So 90,
91.
96, 96 rupees. 96 rupees. Return. Then what is the percentage also is there?
Yes.
Percentage of income is equal to income upon investment into 100%. That is equal to 96 upon 3072 into 100. 16 6 are 192. Wrong. 0 point. What 0 point?
Directly.
Sir,
What is 0 point?
32 upon 100 are.
100 by 32. Okay. That is equal to 25 by 8.
3 upon 3 by 3. 3.
That is 3 1 upon 8. 315 125 3.125. What does it? Okay. What are okay. None all of you? Got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next question. Hello. What happened to Read. Next question. Read.
Man has 300 rupees share of company paying 20% dividend. Find his net income after paying 3% income tax. Man buys rupees share of company paying 12% dividend at income of rupees 10% fine. What is the market price of 320 shares? His annual income is around 7%.
Okay, what are the values? What is this 50? Read, what is this 50? Number of shares is 50. Huh? Face value. Okay, what is this next is what the next value number is given? 12. Rate of dividend 10. Therefore, what is market value? 60. Write down. Face value. Face value 50. Rate of dividend 12%. Market value 50 plus 10 60. Okay. Below first answer. Market value of 320 shares. 320 into 60. 19,200. Okay. Second one. What is the second part? Annual income. NRF. Annual income. NRF. Number of shares how much? 320. Rate of dividend is how much? Into 1920 rupees. Number of shares equal to 320. Previous question. Now 1920. Then third part. Profit percent. Profit upon. Income upon investment. 200. 1920. 19,200 into 100. Answer is equal to 10%. Hope all of you got it. Try to read and identify. These are not difficult one. Hope all of you followed how to do it. Second exercise is little complicated. First exercise comparatively easy. Done. All of you.
Yes, sir.
Next question number. Next book is there now. Yeah. Yes. Read the next question. Question number 6. Okay.
A man has 300 rupees to be paid of a company paying 20% dividend. Why this net is the not paying 3% income tax?
Okay. So tell me what is 300? Number of shares. What is 50?
It means
Nominal value. Face value. Okay. 20.
rate of dividend.
Rate of
Dividend.
dividend. What is it? 3?
Income tax.
Percentage of income tax percentage. Okay. So write down. Number of shares 300. Face value 50 rupees. Then next is rate of dividend 20%. Therefore, annual income NRF. Annual income is equal to NRF. N is how much? 300 now.
Yes.
And R 20 by 100. F 600. Okay. That is equal to rupees 3000. Okay. This much all of you got.
Yes, sir.
Next. Income tax percentage is equal to 3%. Therefore, income tax paid is equal to 3 by 100 into 3000. How much is his income? It's 3%. That is equal to how much? 300. 30 rupees. 90 rupees. 30 into 3, 90 rupees. Therefore, net profit, net income. Net income means 3000 minus 90. 2910. Please export the calculation style. Very good. Yeah. Done all of you? Okay. Followed. Everyone. Mr. Done. Sidra. He writing page. Before. Yeah. It was question number which one? 6. Sidra, read the question.
A man invests rupees 8,800 in buying shares of a company of face value of rupees 100 each at a premium of 10%. If he earns rupees 1,200 at the end of the year as dividend, find the number of shares he has in the company, the dividend percentage.
Okay. Followed. Sidra followed. Yes, what is 8,800?
Some invested.
Some invested. Then valuation of the company. What is this 100
Face value.
face value? What is this 10%?
Premium.
Huh?
Premium percent.
Rate of premium. That means what is the market value? Huh? What is the market value?
Market value is
100 plus 10% of 100. 110 na? Na? What is the market value? 10% is the premium mean that is coming out of much. Okay. Next, what is 1200? Annual income. So, what all values? There are different values are not given, no? Okay. So, right. One by one value is right. Then automatically answers will come. Right. Sum invested. half of the class is sitting in here. Exam will be there. Then not required. You also equally. Learn, I am telling you, learn without looking back at it. You're right. Yeah, I'll give you more spot from behind you. Yeah. Sum invested is equal to 8,800. Face value is equal to 100 rupees. Market value is equal to 100 plus 10% of 100. Market value is equal to 100 plus 10% of 100, which is equal to 110 rupees. Written number of shares. Number of shares equal to sum invested upon market value. That is equal to 8,800 upon 110. How much? 80. 80 is the rupees 9. And now, okay. Therefore, annual income next. Annual income is given now.
Yes.
Annual income is how much? 1200. Annual income is equal to 1200. Therefore, formula right, annual income is equal to NRF. That is 1200 is equal to, what is then?
80.
80. R, you don't know, R by 100 into 100. Got it?
Yes.
Both answers you got?
Yes.
What was the first part? Number of shares only. Third part was number of shares. Done?
Yeah.
Yeah. Written all of you? Okay. Your next exercise. Write down. Not the question. Next exercise. One more formula you write. Then the calculation will be equal. Right. Remember this formula. Another important formula. Yeah. Write down. Right. Rate of dividend into nominal value. Rate of dividend into nominal value is equal to rate of return into market value. Yes, I repeat.
Rate of dividend into
Rate of dividend into nominal value is equal to rate of return into market value. Remember this formula. Rate of dividend, all of you know. Rate of dividend is a common one, dividend percentage. And nominal value, all of you know. Nominal value, face value. Now, rate of return means what? Profit percentage, percentage of income, all these things. Okay. Next, market value, all of you know. Okay. Follow this one.
Yes.
Okay, one question based on this one, right? Let's see how many we can do. Okay. Which is the better investment? Question. Which is the better investment? 12%. 12% rupees 100 shares at 120. Right? 12% rupees 100 shares return at 120 or 8% rupees 100 shares at 80. 80. 8% rupees 100 shares at 80. Are you followed the question? If not followed, once again I'll explain.
8%. 60%.
Slow learners are not. Okay, 8% rupees 100 shares at 90. First one, there are two types of investment are there. Na- At 80 is at 80, no? Okay, at 80. Yeah. 90 or 80?
80.
How many we wrote 90? Nobody. Actually, you also change to 80. Yeah. First one, what is the meaning of 12% rupees 100 shares at 80? What is 12%? Rate of dividend. And write down. You can write for A and B. For A, rate of dividend. For A, rate of dividend is equal to how much? 12%. Then what is this 100?
And
Face value. Face value. Okay. Then what is this 120?
number of cells.
120 is market value. Market value. Say market value. Market value. Same way for the second one also. Okay. So do it. Means you find out the rate of return. Find the rate of return. Got it?
Same sir.
Same.
Same sir.
Both are equal.
But magnetic culture is the better. Cultural mutual funds
Yeah. Listen. For the first one,
Yeah.
you got that one. What is the stop talking? What is the rate of return you got or what? What is the formula you have? Rate of dividend. Rate of dividend into how much?
into NV.
NV is equal to return percent into
MV.
MV. Now, what is the dividend percent over here? 12 by 100 or 12 itself we can write into nominal value 100 is equal to return percent we don't know into how much?
0.10.
That is equal to how much?
10.
Still wrong. Okay. Next. For the second one. For the second one. What was the dividend percent? 8 into 100 is equal to into
Sir, D will be 8 upon 100, na?
what is your problem? How many we got these answers? So both investments are same. And now what is your problem? Now you
Sir, if we take 12 upon 100, then it will be.
sir, this is
1 upon 10.
stop. Yeah, what the we stop? What the we stop? You can explain? Tell what we stop.
Sir, it is 3%.
So then what will be here?
R percentage.
R percentage. So R upon 100 will come. There 100 here or not. Okay.
Yes, yes. Sir, the same way. Sir, it is Sir, can you do this with your
Yeah. Complete all of you. Next question.
Yes. Size like that.
Yeah. Write down. Now one more another question, then we go to the next section. Yeah.
Agree, sir. Agree.
Yeah, you will do it. Okay. Go. Go. Right. Company with 4,000 shares. A company with 4,000 shares whose nominal value of 110. 4,000 shares, nominal value is 110 rupees. Okay. With an annual dividend of 15%. Annual dividend of 15%. Okay. First one. Question, following question. So nominal 110 nominal value, rate of dividend, annual dividend of 15% means rate of dividend. Yeah. First one. Total amount of dividend. Total amount of dividend. First one. Second one to calculate. Annual income. Annual income of a person with 88 shares. Third one. 88 shares. Third one. If this person received 10% on his investment, if this person received 10% on his investment, find the price of each share. Find the price of each share. Followed all of you?
Yes.
Okay. Company obtains how many shares? 4,000 shares. Okay, all of you do it. Let's see how many of you are able to do that. Now, there is no discussion required. You look in your book. This many questions are done. Okay. Then what are you reading loudly? What is your problem? Turn this side. If you don't know, be quiet. Others will do. Okay. There are people are there to do. Others quiet. Yeah. What happened? You have a doubt? Then 110. Okay. Remaining this you do at home. Giving us what is this? Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it.
It's only make the simple.
Thank you. It's all pointed to them on this. How many of you are able to do? Good. Do the summons without thinking all the time. Every time you answer that, never answer.
But sir, I don't understand how to.
But before you promise something personally. Okay, that is coming on Wednesday. There's an exam. That obvious mark you have to tell.
Sir, last time sir, I expected notice.
Yeah, 80 on 80.
No, last time I told you about 75 when I got 36.
So this time 80 on 80. Done. Those who are done, stand up. Those who are writing question, no need to stand. Where is your answer? Huh? Where is your answer? I know the way and the formula. Okay. Down. Okay. This way also one boy in the last year also was sitting. I know formula and all. If you don't know, you know, we spend a blood piece. His mark and difference, I'm telling you the difference. 80 or 100. Yeah. Rudra, got the answer? You all got the answer? No. Limit time is enough. Listen. There comes the one by one conditions. Number of shares of the company. How much? 4,000. Then, now face value 110. Rate of dividend, rate of 15%. First one, rate annual income, annual dividend is equal to NRF.
Yes, sir.
First is annual dividend is equal to NRF. That is equal to 4,000 into what 15%. No?
Yes.
How much? 66,000. All of you got this answer?
Yes.
Yeah. First one. Second part. The person got how many shares? 80. So instead of 4,000, you have to write 80 into what? Yes, what is the answer? 1452.
Yes, sir.
Understood all of you?
Yes.
Okay. Listen. This much all of you got it?
Yes.
Okay. The third one. What is the third one? It is coming as what is the market value? For market value, you have to get either sum invested, you have to get it. Yes, sum invested upon number of shares we have. Number. So you have what is the value it is given? Return percent is given now.
10%.
10%. Yeah, be quiet. 10%. Therefore, what is his total dividend? Total 1452. Okay, what is the sum invested by him?
145.
What is the sum invested? What is the number of shares?
88.
Huh? So look here. Return percent is equal to what is it? Annual income divided by sum investment into 100%. Yes or no? And from here you got sum invested. How much is sum invested you got? How did you all do?
Yes, sir.
Rate of dividend percentage to 80%.
Acha, the formula which I do. Okay, that also you can do it. Directly. You got the answer, third one? If you want, you can direct method is sum invested divided by number of shares. Or directly, I given the next formula is given. Rate of dividend into nominal value is equal to return percent into market value. So dividend percent is how much? 15 into 10. If you write here by 100, here also put by 100. Therefore, it is answer is coming here. MV is equal to 165. The answer is You can do this one directly also, you can do it with the help of the see. These all questions you can do by different methods. Not only one method, either by this format or this format. Method is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done.
Yes, sir. Nice.
Next slide will start.
Yes, sir.
How much time you have? Write one more question. Right. Right. A and write down, write down. A and B. A and B, two people, A and B. Okay, have 18,000 rupees each. 1 8. A and B got 18,000 rupees each. Okay. A buys 7.5%, rupees 100 shares, 7.5%, rupees 100 shares at a discount of 20%. A, repeat, write properly. That is right.
Yes.
A buys 7.5%, rupees 100 shares at a discount of how much? 20%. B buys 50 rupee shares, 50 rupee shares at a premium of 20%. At a premium of 20%. If both receive equal annual dividend, find the equal annual dividend, find the rate of dividend received by B. Rate of dividend received by B. Yeah. Find the rate of dividend received by B. Values all are followed. Okay. Investment values of A and B is how much? 18,000. Basic things if you want. Listen. Investment value for A and B is how much? 18,000. For A, what is the 7.5%? Rate of dividend. What is this 100? Face value. Okay. What is this 20%? Discount. Therefore, MB is equal to how much? 100 minus 20. 100 minus 20, which is equal to 80. Okay. For B, what is this 50? Face value. Okay. What is this 20%? Premium. Therefore, what is the market value? 50 plus 10, 60. Okay. Solve values you got, then start to get the answer. Priyanshi started. Come out from here. You want to sit in the class? You want to sit in the class? I did not ask you. I was thinking back, okay, next time when we have boys, what will you do? Now both start. Rudra, are you doing the sum? Why? Did you get the annual income of A? Then find out annual income of A is equal to annual income of B. So find for that one NRF. Do you have N? Do you have R? Do you have F?
Yes.
Not, if everything is not there. Check.
Yes.
Annual income when calculating, keep in fraction only. No need to put into decimal and all. Because you are going to equate. You are going to equate now. Annual income A is equal to annual income of B. Array what? What is that array? Huh? If we are getting decimal, put in. Understood or not? For A, what is N?
Survey, sir, survey.
What is N? 18,000. 16, 18,000, no? 18,000, no? Or 16,000. Divided by, what is the base value? That is equal to, you can even a 1,800 or 900 divided by 4 or 225, no? Therefore, annual income, NRF, how much you got? 225. What is R?
7.5.
7.5 means 15 by 2 into 100 into what is the base value?
100.
Then N is equal to 18,000 divided by what is the market value? 60. Yes or no? So it is coming as 300. N 300 into R. We don't have face value. How much? 50 or what? 50. Okay. Then this will be replaced at that value.
Yes, sir, what?
Yeah. Ask you to pack your brain. What is your answer? Yeah. You got the value of R?
Sir, wait, sir, wait. Sir, I got
45 by 11.25. 45 by what? What?
Friends,